Here's Citroen's take on the city car state-of-the-art, the second generation C1. This French brand has always been rather good at very compact, efficient little models. Their iconic 2CV goes back to the 40s, while more recent small runabouts like the Saxo and the first generation C3 still have loyal owners. People who are probably going to take very easily to this, today's modern interpretation of Citroen's city car chic. Small where it matters and big where it counts, this is claimed to be a runabout perfectly adapted to economical life on the urban street. Citroen's smallest hatch now offers a couple of petrol-powered three-cylinder choices, with an 82 brake horsepower VTI unit from the C3 Super Mini arriving to join an improved version of the older 68 brake horsepower 1-litre unit. Now that 1-litre engine is unashamedly aimed at urban folk and might become a little orally wearing if you were to use it over an extended motorway trip. If such a journey might be an occasional possibility, the 1.2-litre engine option, not incidentally available on this car's Toyota Aygo design stablemate, would be a better choice. In the brand's own words, this car is supposed to deliver an upbeat response to today's urban mobility requirements. The upbeat bit is delivered here with this unusual two-part headlamp signature. Together with these integrated LED daytime running lights, this aims to create a smiley front-end gaze that hopes to emphasise what the brand sees as this car's cheerful design and strong character. Many customers will doubtless also like the option the Airscape version of this car offers of a full-length retractable fabric folding roof, creating that cabriolet feeling without the cost or buffeting associated with a fully fledged convertible. Even if it is being targeted at well-heeled downsizers or those families looking for an easy-to-use second or third car, the C1 can't afford to be off the pace in terms of economy and emissions. Nor is it. Citroen also proudly boasts that every model in the range comes in at less than 100 grams per kilometre of carbon dioxide emissions, so there'll be no annual road tax to pay. That even applies to the pokier 1.2-litre VTI variant with its lustier 82 brake horsepower power plant. This manages 65.7 miles to the gallon on the combined cycle and 99 grams per kilometre of CO2. Overall, it's true that there are still more sophisticated choices you could make in this segment. But there's a time and a place for sophistication, and I can imagine many buyers in the market's smaller sector being prepared to look past issues of practicality and refinement, being persuaded instead by this little Citroen's sheer value and joie de vivre. Those are the things you want in a city car, but that's not all you want. With this second generation C1, Citroen now seems to understand this. The result is a much better proposition and a much better car.